Welcome to our video about the essential gear you need to survive in the wild. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, having the right gear is crucial for your safety and comfort in the great outdoors. The first essential item you'll need is a good backpack. Look for one that's sturdy, has plenty of compartments, and fits you comfortably. A well-designed pack will keep your gear organized and evenly distributed, which is important for long hikes and treks. Your sleeping setup is next on the list. A good quality tent with a waterproof fly and a sturdy frame can make all the difference between a good night's sleep and a miserable one. Also, a warm and comfortable sleeping bag will keep you cozy throughout the night. Navigational aids like maps, a compass, and a GPS device should always be in your pack. They will help you determine your location, chart your progress, and find your way back to civilization in case of an emergency. Staying hydrated and nourished is essential, especially when you're out in the wild. A water filter can eliminate any harmful bacteria or viruses from freshwater sources. Pack non-perishable food items like trail mix, energy bars, and dehydrated meals. In case of unexpected situations, a well-stocked emergency kit can save lives. Some basic items to include are a first aid kit, a whistle, a signal mirror, and a fire starter. These items can help you signal for help or start a fire for warmth and protection. There you have it, our list of essential gear for surviving in the wilderness. Be sure to invest in quality items and take the time to learn how to use them. With the right gear and know-how, you can enjoy an adventure of a lifetime in the great outdoors.